Hey guys, this is your tutorial for Thursday, May 13th. This is going to be a really quick one because all we did in class today was review for our test, which is tomorrow. So make sure you are studying for your test, that you're going over your study guide, and that you are prepared for your last unit test in 7th grade science. Your common assessment study guide, you need to be working on that because after your test tomorrow, we're just preparing for your final test in our class. So that common assessment date will be on Monday, May 17th. You'll notice that you have a link right here, which is the link to the answer key for your study guide. So make sure you click on that and you become familiar with the answers. You'll see here, this is the answer key to your physics study guide. It goes over the equation for speed, all your basic definitions with your types of energy. It goes over calculating net force. We have conversation about balanced and unbalanced forces, as well as Newton's 3 laws, and then pictures to show examples of each. We talk about friction a little bit, and then we talk about our little motion graphs, which we spent a lot of time on in this unit. We have our acceleration and our deceleration. And then more stuff on energy, specifically with a roller coaster. You know, the higher you are, the more potential you have, and at the fastest spot, you'll see the most kinetic. We have some energy transfers down here, and then we talk about our circuits, series, parallel, and then we give examples of our different simple machines. Okay, so make sure you are familiar with all the answers on your study guide. Now you will see on the presentation that we did a Kahoot in class, but don't worry, we've added a homework link right here for you to practice and play at home. So if you have any last minute questions before your test, make sure you reach out to us and make sure you're preparing for your test, which is tomorrow, okay? All right, good luck.